In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a recommended channel on your channel. It's very easy and you don't even need to have a video uploaded on your channel. So yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is just click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to your channel. This will load up your channel, and as you can see I don't have any videos, and all you need to do is just click on customize channel. And once you're here, the YouTube overview completely changes itself, and you can add or edit all these kinds of stuff on your YouTube channel. But what you want to do, where it says featured channels, click on add channels. And you are here right now and click on enter channel username or URL. So what you want to do is just go to a channel, for example, how to digital, and click on it. And what you want to do is just copy this URL at the top, just like that, and then go back to this tab and paste the URL in there and click on add. And as you can see, it has now been added. And you can also just change the name instead of featured channels to, for example, best channel, something like that. And just click on done. As you can see, it has now been added. And once you go back to YouTube, just like that, and then go back to your channel right here at the top right corner and then your channel, you can see it has now been added, just like that. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.